Why aren't you using your gift? You're not your parents, or your friends, or your teachers. Understand that. You have your own gift, a gift that no one else has, a gift that has no limits, that has potential bigger than anything ever seen, a gift that only you have because you are you. A gift that, if used correctly, will achieve beyond wildest dreams. No, this is not a fantasy, it's real. Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Mark Cuban, Michael Jordan, Jackie Robinson, Tom Brady, you know who they are. They all had a gift and they used it. Look where it got them. So with you knowing all of this, why do you follow someone else's dreams? Why do you go after someone else's hopes and not your own? Why do you dream of something you dread? Why do you dream of a 9 to 5 when you want 6 to 12? Why do you dream of an engineer when you really want to be a photographer? Why do you have dreams that are not your own? Why do you attempt to use a gift that you were not given? Why don't you use the gift that you were given? You completely ignore your gift when it's meant to be embraced. You let it stay in the dust when it's meant to lift others out of the dust. You keep in your mind when it's supposed to fill others' minds. You hide, stay out of the sun when you're supposed to be the sun, the light in people's lives. So let me ask you again. Why aren't you using your gift? Why are you using the thing you were destined to do? Use the thing that you were destined to do. There's no excuse to not use your gift. No excuse. So don't tell me anything. And I'll say it again. You are unique. You are you. Instead of just thinking it, believe it. Believe. Believe you have the potential. Believe, not can, not will, but must do it. Go use your gift. Create those results. Don't wait when you're young and have the time to make mistakes, to fail, to try new things. Don't think about it. Go do it. Find the thing that you were meant to do, and then make sure the whole world knows who you are. Make sure that when you ask the person, "What's my name?" you'll say it loudly and clear. Make sure they know your legacy. But first, you're gonna have to go build your legacy.